guys remember when I told you that Christianity is more than meets the eye? That's one of the most scenic routes you can find. Oh, Copenhagen. It smells like spring. So I'm taking some time off to meet with the wifey and get some grub. Right, see you there. So I'm back on the grind, yo. Back on the grind after the smash burger, and while I'm doing this trick to hold the band in place, I just thought I would say a few words about the addressee of this cap. So oh man, like these colors are super mellow. This beige corduroy with brown details and the brown visor. For an old soul in a young body. But for real, this guy, he's a skater, and probably that's gonna be the last of the 4 skaters series, cap series. So this guy, seriously, he like single-handedly reignited my passion for skateboarding. The way I mean, he's not like the biggest jumper, you know, like you're not gonna see him jumping like 50 stairs at the highest possible speed, but the way he uses a skateboard and tackles obstacles, you know, I mean, anything, any object on the street is his obstacle, right? And seriously, like, he should be under the term skateboarding. There should be a picture of him, because how a skateboard became like his tool for living is just is straight up amazing. And yeah, just seeing how much love he has for this as in skateboarding has just shown me how, you know, it's not important to be just flipping double flips. What's the most important in skateboarding is how you feel while skating. Oops. Is how you feel while skating, you know, like no one can take it from you, and at any stage of like your skateboarding career, you can feel challenged. And the best part is that no one else but you that can put that pressure on you to challenge yourself, a little further. And that's such a beautiful part of skateboarding, because I'm such an amateur on the board, but I love it. Like from the board graphics to like skate fashion and the style people have on a skateboard, man. Like skateboarding is the. So yeah, this one goes out to the guy that just showed me what is the core of skateboarding, and by doing so showed me that that it's really important, that what you feel is really important. So I'm trying to translate his idea of skateboarding into my sewing, as in it's never going to be perfect, because of so many limitations that I have when it comes to the machine, when it comes to my skills. But I love this game, and I hope it shows. All right. Let's get it on. Okay, so we had quite a big discussion over this, and I have to admit, I mean, me and my wifey, but I have to admit that her suggestion of like putting on the cobalt blue rope, it's on her. So I admit that it fits pretty well, and it adds uh, that noise finish to this cap. Um, she was right. Alright guys, so let me notice if I'm wrong or not. But last time I said that I figured out the thing about the needles. Since then I broke a few trying to do the same thing when sewing through the plastic. So my new theory is that everything is fine as long as I use the needle in a central position, and then if I go to the left, the needle breaks because it doesn't have enough foundation, it doesn't have enough force. So yeah, I'll try to, these days I try to like sew everything with the needle centered, and let's see if that's gonna work this time. Seems great. Yo, this one turned out just beautiful. I mean, this combination of colors, like very warm colors, contrasted with this blue cobalt rope in the front. Yo, this is too much. Seriously. I mean, I gotta give credit to my wife, you know, the real artist in this relationship. Honestly, I wouldn't have thought of a blue rope, and it was like her idea, you know, from the moment she laid her eyes on this color combination. So I'm stoked. You know. And I really hope it's going. I mean, I really think it is going to fit the style and the appearance of the addressee of this cup. Oh yeah. All right, let's generate the number. Okay, yeah, it's getting harder and harder to actually find the number. Let's see how it goes on the first try. Number 6. Yeah, we had number 6. Number 2, we did have number 2. Number 12. I think we had number 13, but no number 12. I might have to check it. Wait up. did not have number 12. So that was the 30,000 one. Although I do have to admit that corduroy, as beautiful as it is, it's kind of problematic when it comes to like keeping the like the proper silhouette, because it's pretty soft as a fabric, but it has a vibe, you know. Oh man, I really adore it. Well, hopefully it's gonna fit that, you see. So thank you guys for another episode, and thanks for bearing with me yet again. Time for another one.